If I step forward, Shifu is not going to step back, but he's going to let me push him back. So however much I step forward, he's going to go back exactly the same amount. So the pressure here doesn't change. Yeah, see? Like everything's exactly what we started. Nothing.所以你可以很容易控制的哈，
控制control化咗佢勁，跟住步伐同一步伐走。如果你係要走偏步一個圓形咧，佢更加死條。
So he has to match me step, but then he can also turn. I'll be in trouble.
知唔知啊？嗱，慢動作嗱。你睇下隻腳個距離。但係呢個步伐係佢推我往後，佢推我往後。
So I'm pushing him backwards. He's not going backwards.
睇住啦。
Yeah.
同一時間，但係呢個頂點係冇變，呢個點係冇變嘅。
The pressure here doesn't change.
呢隻手我唔俾佢變化。
Yep. He's not going to let me change here.
變化喺我度啦，因為點解咧？
Now she would decide which.
因為當我步推我嘅時間咧，佢個腳鞋未有到地，我未到地之前我就落啦。
Right before I land my feet, he's
睇住啦，睇住啦，係咪啊？OK。